Allah is zero in maths. In the Quran, the characteristics of Allah have been described in great detail. And He has been described as omniscient. And He has been praised with exaggeration. Similarly, at some places He is also called quick reckoner or swift reckoner. Has been said. It is called sariul hisab in Arabic language. It is written in the Quran Allah is swift in reckoning, Surah An'am 6 hours 62 minutes, Allah is very quick to reckon, Surah 13:41, Allah is quick in reckoning, Surah Ibrahim 14:51. Because of these wonderful qualities, Allah has set some rules in the Quran to distribute the will, property, of a Muslim deceased person among his testators. Who should get what share in the property? Or in English it is called Quranic inheritance rule. Points are given for convenience. It is given in Surah Nisa of Quran like this 1. Quran's rule of will, Allah bequeaths to you about your children that the share of a man should be equal to that of 2 women. 1. If there are 2 girls, their share is 2/3 of the property. 2. And if she is single, then for her is half. 3. And if he has children, then to each of his parents is 1/6 of what he left. 4. And if there is no child, and his parents are heirs, then his mother's share will be 1/3. 5. And if he has left sisters also, then the share of the mother will be 1/6. 6. These are fixed by Allah. And Allah is all-knowing and all-seeing. Surah Nisa 4:11, and what your wives have left, and if you have no children, then you have half of it. 7. And if you have children, your share will be 1/4. 8. And if there are children, their share will be 1/8. 9. And if a man does not have children of a woman, and neither parents are alive, and there is a brother and sister, then each of them will have 1/6 share. 10. If they are more brothers and sisters, then 1/3 will include all. 11. And Allah is all knowing and forgiving.
Surah Nisa 4:12. 2. Calculation of will according to the Quran. Now, according to the given rules, the property is calculated to be distributed among the heirs left behind by the deceased. For this, examples of 2 imaginary persons have been taken. And then let us see that by following the rules, the property of the deceased can be divided properly. Is it or not? For the sake of ease, the property has been assumed to be 1,100,000/. One person's name has been taken as Zaid and the other's name has been taken as Ghaffur. First will, Zaid had left 1,00,000 rupees after his death, and 3 daughters, parents and a wife. His property is to be divided according to the rules of the Quran. 1-3 daughters, if there are more than 2 girls, they will have 2/3 share in the property. Surah Nisa 4:11, 2/3 of 1,00,000 equals 2/3 equals 66.66% equals 66,666 rupees. 2. For parents, the share of parents will be 1/3. Surah Nisa 4:11, 1/3 of 1,00,000 equals 1 divided by 3 is equal to 33.33% equals 33,333 rupees/3. Wife's share, whatever you leave, and your children, the 1/8 part will be of the wife. Surah Nisa 4:12, 1/8 part of 1,00,000 equals 1 divided by 8 is equal to 12.8% equals 12499 rupees. Total partition, 112,499 1,12,499 rupees, while the total property is only 100,000 1,00,000 rupees.
Means 12499 12,499 rupees. Will Allah get it from the bank of Jannat? Second will, Ghaffur had left 1,00,000 rupees after his death, and only a mother, 2 sisters and a wife. Divide his property among his heirs according to the rules of the Quran. 1. Mother's share, his mother's share will be 1/3. Surah Nisa 4:11, 1/3 of 1,00,000 equals 1 divided by 3 is equal to 33.33% equals 33,333 rupees/2. Share of 2 sisters, if there are 2 sisters, their share will be 2/3 of the property. Surah Nisa 4:11-12, 2/3 of 1,00,000 equals 66.66% equals 66,666/3. Wife's share, if she has children, then the wife's share will be 1/4. Surah Nisa 4:12. 1/4 of a lakh equals 1 divided by 4 is equal to 25% equals 25,000 rupees slash, total rupees expenditure 124,999 slash dash, rupees 1,24,999, while the total assets were only 1 lakh, means where will 24,999 slash dash, 24,499 rupees come from? Will Allah print new notes? From this it is clearly known that Allah has the knowledge of mathematics even than a high school student. While Muslims claim that Allah calculates everyone's deeds and keeps writing. When this is the condition of Allah's mathematics, then faith in His intelligence is useless. Whatever is said in praise of Allah is just a figment of imagination. Allah would be a person, not God.